What is the least sustainable method of helping to maintain a population of fish in a lake? So least sustainable method. So the method that doesn't actually sustain the fish population in a lake. So A, let's look at A. Oh my God, here's the answer. Only allowing female fish to be caught and eaten. Then who's gonna give birth to the fish? Like baby fish, huh? That's the least sustainable method. Okay. So A is the right answer. Let's have a look at the others. B, only allow fishing at certain times of the year. Okay, well, that looks promising. We can sustain the fish population with that method. Only allowing fishing in certain areas. Yes, same thing happens there. Only allowing the largest fish to be caught and eaten. Yep, this is a good one as well, because the little baby fish can live and they can become bigger and they can give birth to the baby fish again. So we can sustain the population of fish in that way. Okay, so A is the right answer for the last question for 2022 October-November paper 2 version 21.